last class we studied about employment. Then employment is an economic activity by which a person earns his livelihood. Okay. Then employment means it is an economic activity by which a person earns income. Workers who are working in different employment have a different status. We know different workers have different status. Then we can study about self-employment. What is self-employment and hired workers? Okay. A person who owns and operates a company or her livelihood is self-employed. Then what is that self-employment? So a transport company owner is a self-employed person. Self-employed working for oneself rather than working for someone else. More than 55% of the workforce in India belongs to self-employed category. The drivers are known as regular salary and wage employees. Regular salaried employees account for 30% of Indian workers, and the cleaners are known as casual wage laborers, and casual wage workers account of 32%. Such workers work occasionally on demand on or call basis. They usually do multiple jobs. This category includes agricultural laborers, construction workers, then repairers, then workers, vendors, domestic workers, porters, all these people coming under this category. Here you can see a chart. In this chart you can see the distribution of employment by gender. Here you can see male workers, 52% of male. This is the pie diagram. Already we studied about pie diagram. Here 52% of male workers are from self-employed. Okay. Then this category 52% category is in self-employed, and this one is regular salaried employed 24%, and this line is 24%. That one is casual wage workers. In the case of female workers, 52% are self-employed and 21% regular salaried, then 27% are casual wage workers. Okay. Then here we can take 3 workers from the construction industry: a cement shop owner, a construction worker, and civil engineer of a construction company. The status of each one of them is different from another. They are also called differently. Workers who own and operate an enterprises to earn their livelihood known as self-employed. Then workers who own and operate an enterprise to earn their livelihood are known as self-employed. Then thus the cement shop owner is self-employed. About 52% of workforce in India belongs to this category. The construction workers are known as casual wage laborers. They account for about 25% of India's workforce. Such laborers are casually engaged in other farms and in return get a remuneration for the work done. Workers like the civil engineer working in the construction company for 23% of India's workforce. When a worker is engaged by someone or an enterprise and paid his or her wages on a regular basis. They are known as regular salaried employees. Okay, then regular salaried employees means who are working for wages. For especially, we know regular salary workers engaged by someone and they are getting some payment. That type of category we are calling as regular salaried employees. Then employment is a major source of livelihood for men and women, and more than 50% of workforce coming under this section. Okay. Then casual wage work is the second major source for both men and women. A little more or so far later, 24 to 27% is coming under this category. Here you can see the distribution of employment by region. Here you can see the urban workers and rural workers. Then this one 47%, that one is regular salaried employees, and 38% that one is self-employed, and 15% urban workers are 15% are from casual wage labors. Then we can understand that 47% of workers are casual wage workers. But in the case of rural workers, near to 58%, here you can see near to 58% are self-employed and near to 29% are casual wage laborers and near to 13% are regular salaried employees. Then both women and men are found. From the chart we can understand that men form 23%, whereas women form only 21%. The gap between men and women is very less. Okay, here you can see, here we studied about men and women. Here 21% and 24%. Very gap between men and women are very less. Okay, when we compare this workforce distribution in rural and urban areas, casual wage workers, employed laborers are found more in rural areas than in urban areas. Self-employed workers and casual wage laborers are more in rural areas than in urban areas. We know in urban areas they will get lot of employment opportunity, but in the case of rural areas these employment opportunities are less. Okay, then both self-employment and regular wage salaried jobs are greater. In the former, majority of those depending on farming on plots, land and cultivations, these things generating self-employment opportunities. Okay, that reason in rural areas the share of self-employed is greater. The nature of work in urban areas different. Obviously, everyone cannot run factories, shops, office or like that various types. Moreover, enterprises in urban areas require workers on a regular basis.